A common concern of any construction project is the condition of one's property. We know how important property restoration is to our customers, and we are committed to ensuring customers are satisfied with all the completed work. We work with our customers during and after construction to minimize impact and inconvenience, utilizing directional drilling to mitigate impact to property. There are times where additional holes will need to be dug to ensure safe installation. Our commitment to you is a complete restoration no matter the construction impact, and we always do our best to tidy up during the construction process. Property restoration of the entire project area will occur when all underground cable and equipment has been installed and overhead lines and equipment are removed, and no project is complete until a final restoration has occurred. At any time during the project, you can reach out to your Dominion Energy point of contact.